What's up? Welcome back again. So another thing I'm going to install on, Another thing I'm going to install on the Mustang is I got a Steeda clutch, S197 clutch spring, also called a clutch assist spring. And I believe this is supposed to make the clutch a little bit lighter, which I'm happy about because I have a bad left knee and it's been a pain driving both of the cars recently. So hopefully this will do the trick and make the clutch a little bit lighter and make the car a little bit more pleasant to drive. Allegedly it also offers some more control, so we'll see. Apparently it helps to have locking needle nose pliers, but I do not have those, and you also need to have the clutch fully compressed. So I'm using a makeshift clutch compressor, whatever you want to call it. It's a club with a piece of wood. Hopefully this will stick, we'll see. So that red spring, that is what I'm trying to get out. That's the factory clutch assist spring. Finally got a set of locking needle nose pliers. I'm gonna try and get this clutch assist spring installed in the Mustang. I have to put myself in to be able to access the spring, which, as you can see, I just pulled out right there. So now I need to get that piece onto the new spring and mount it back up. Jesus, I should have done more yoga when I was younger. So it turns out that I broke the clutch spring perch thing, and I just put some Gorilla Glue on this to try and seat it back, the black piece up here. So that was stupid. Hopefully I can just use this Gorilla Glued version until I can order another one, assuming that I can find one of these, but whatever. The idea appears to have failed because this plastic piece keeps coming off. So I have to order a new clutch spring and perch. This is exactly what I did not want to do, but I guess I have to if I want my car to function the way it's supposed to. So I ordered that shit from Steeda, and hopefully it'll be here this week. I'd have to look up if it's okay to drive the car without the spring in the meanwhile, but I have read that it does some damage to the clutch, so I want to be extra careful. This is what I get for trying to modify the car that I drive most frequently. Okay, it got a little bit dark for the conclusion of my clutch spring video. So it's the next day, and I am going to show you if I could find a light. So essentially I do not have a light. That's bad. That's bad. It's poor form. My light is not plugged in. I have a light. Okay, let's see if you can see this. So that white plastic piece is the bottom of the clutch spring perch, and as you can see, I did manage to get the Steeda clutch spring into the where it was supposed to be, despite the middle plastic piece breaking. It seemed like after I let it sit with some Gorilla Glue for a while, it got stable enough that I could put it back. But I still am gonna keep my order with Steeda for the whole piece, even though it's kind of expensive. I rather have it just in case this one breaks and it needs to be replaced than having to wait for it. So I did take it for a drive. I kind of made a mistake. I took it for a drive after I had driven the Fox body for a little bit, and the clutch on the Fox body is noticeably heavier than the clutch on the Dude Stang. But even so, I could still tell that the clutch was quite a bit lighter with the Steeda spring versus the factory spring, and it did not require as much effort to engage. So that's good. This is one of those things that I feel like I probably read about when I first bought the car, 6 years ago, and I thought, oh yeah, I should get that, and then I just never got around to it. Maybe if I had gotten it sooner, I could have saved myself some knee pain. Anyways, if you do have a 2011, 2014 Mustang, I would highly recommend the Steeda clutch assist spring. Unless you're into having a heavier clutch feel. I'd be great if they made something like this for the Fox body. I'll have to look into that. Anyways, I'll share maybe a longer term review after I've been driving it for a few months and give an update. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, you like my video, please hit subscribe. Otherwise, hope you're staying safe, hope you're staying healthy. Peace out.